Hope you will be okay for me.
I will be fine by God's grace. I just want you to be strong for me. Don't look for trouble. Don't follow bad down, okay? Please. Let me look for something for you.
Mama, don't worry. I will make you proud when I come back from school, Mama. Mama, I miss you. I miss you. Let me be going. Please take care of Mama. Bye-bye.
Nah, you call me today? See this girl. I say you be sure. I say you just collect. Do like that.
People shall allow me to breathe. No, if I don't allow me to breathe.
And so she will do the class and she will good pass class rep.
Only today that we say come to allow for them. Now you got to make the thing.
Better eyes get there.
Only if I'm an ice cream.
You take her.
So come to class and be making noise.
No try me. They are the best. So no try me. You fish that for face. Your face. You fish that for face.
Good class.
This woman again. Please go me.
What's this? Stand up. Stand up. Yes, you. What's this? Why do you wear shorts to my class?
Tell us you take her. Just now.
Get out of my class. What is this one saying? I said get out of my class. Out of my class, quick. I say out of my class. Don't waste my time.
Let's you collect BTC now.
You want to fight me?
See, we have to go. Who is this one? You date me, yeah?
Look at me, sir. You need to play now. Don't match. I said get out of my class. What's wrong with this one?
Mama.
Look at you. Somebody should fill out this space. What's today's date, please? Last week we talked about English, so we are going to take social media. You, what is social media? Why are you raising up your hand? Did I ask you? Let me know what's behind your head.
Social media is a place where we dance amapiano, which is TikTok.
And you guys are laughing. Even when we say rubbish. You, what is social media? See, little thing that you can't even explain. You're such a dumbass. I said it. Oh, we have different type of social media. We have Facebook.
caller, because this breaking news fit killer. Pity my papa, but we no tell him. Say his investment don't scatter, we don't call everybody. The only number we remain, now the people we elect. Mr. President, answer the call. Nigeria call your bell. Pity my mama, make we no call her, because this breaking news fit killer. Pity my papa, make we no tell him. Say his investment don't scatter, we don't call everybody. The only number we remain, now the people we elect. Mr. President, answer the call. Nigeria call obey.